Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to change language on Google Maps. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your maps. So I'm going to simply click on here. Just like so. Having opened up your map, next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to the top right here. Click on your profile icon. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to simply go to settings. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to app language. Just like so. Then you have all the language right here. What you need to do is to simply scroll down and choose any language you understand from the point right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to change language on Google Maps. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.